Ribs! You need to see the size of these ribs. Okay, so what is your goal here?
Goal here is to barbecue some beef short ribs.
Look at the size of those ribs, man!
That's only, like, there's 2 more pieces underneath.
Yeah? Okay, so you're putting the rub on.
Yeah, we went to the butcher though, right? That's important. We went to the butcher and got these specific cuts.
They're back ribs.
Back ribs. Yeah, they're gonna be tasty.
Okay.
So, for the rub today, we've got a little bit of garlic powder. You can't see the paprika because it's a little bit dark there. I put in a dash of this Mediterranean kind of spice in there. We're also going to put some seasoned salt, a little bit, some black pepper as well, and of course, definitely, some brown sugar. You can't see it.
Oh, is that all we've got?
No, we got like a whole bag.
Oh, okay, good.
A whole bag of it. Yeah, so that's what we're doing for the rub today.
Okay, good.
Yummy.
Alright, no more talking. Just rub.
No more talking.
Aren't you gonna mix it up?
What? Oh, okay. There we're mixing it. Oh, you can't even see that. I mixed it up. Never mind. Done.
Tell you what, I am never buying a lump of charcoal again. It just doesn't make the trip very well. All I got is these tiny little pieces. Imagine how much I love this thing. Look at this piece. It's huge. Ouch! Hey Willow, guess how much you're not helping sitting right there? $2.40. We're ready. Oh man. Huh. What are you doing?
I'm editing my video.
Oh, that's looking really good. It's been 2 hours, so they're coming off and going into the foil. Oh, that looks good.
Oh, that looks good.
Mm-hmm. 3 hours later. Yeah.
I'm watching the ribs so that way some creatures don't steal it.
Ribs are done.
Everyone needed to see the Windex bottle.
Okay, we're gonna try it.
Yep.
There we go. Oh, wait, we gotta do the worth it. I mean, cheers.
That is so good.
Oh, it's really good.
So tender.
Oh,
Wow. That's the way to go.
all those ribs? Got them all for 16 bucks. Canadian.
Oh, that's really good.
That's something. The size of those things, too. Dogs are gonna get a good treat tonight. Jumbo's staring at the door looking at us. Oh, these are so good. We nailed it here. Okay, we're gonna eat these. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
Sorry.
I can't believe how good these are. Wow.